Alright folks, here comes Amtrak 528 to Sacramento. Here it comes now. I believe that's 8301 Mount Whitney leading this one off with 2103. 8301 Mount Whitney. 8301 Mount Whitney. That train is on the Sacramento set. And this train is on 528 going to Sacramento. I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Coming up next is Amtrak 529. Bye-bye. Alright folks, here comes Amtrak 529 Capital Corridor train on its way to San Jose Dearborn Station. Here it comes. 2102 leads on. 2102. 2102 with 8309. Now set Chasito on there. No, 8314 Mount Pinos. I always get this concept wrong. So anyway, there go that train on its way to San Jose. 2102 and 8314 Mount Pinos on there. That train will be returning back as 5:42 in the evening. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.